back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and staying home safe. And today I'm going to bring you guys with a mango drink that you guys might like it, especially you guys adults. And let me show you what I made right here. This is juicy good mango drink that added some Lucas candy. Girl, it's bomb. So if you wanted to see how I make this, keep on watching. Mango, I prefer the mango chunks, the frozen ones, these ones right here. And then you're going to need some juice. You need this juice, and then we need some chamoy, and then some tahini, and then these Lucas candies. These ones right here, the spaghetti ones, and then the chili powders. We need these. And then you need your favorite tequila bottle. Well, this is not my favorite, but this is what I have at the moment, and this actually works for me. So we're gonna be using this one right here, the hornitos. And then what else do we need? And then you need a blender, any type of blender with that we can mix your drink. And then you're gonna need your cup. And then also we are gonna add a little bit of ice. That way it makes it more like a slushy type drink. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching to make this mango drink. My blender here, and then I have my mango chunks. We're just gonna add some. I would say that is enough right here. And then, hi Bella, this is my doggy back here. And then we are going to add some of this mango juice right here. Oops, I skipped it. I would say that is good enough right there. Add your favorite bottle, whatever tequila you have at your house. You know, we want to get lit. And then I'm going to be adding about, depending how much shots you want. So I'm going to be adding 2. Be adding 2. So that is 1, 2. Oh, and then I'm also gonna add some ice. This is already melting. Oh well, we can still use that. But yeah. Then I'm gonna turn this on, put it in the frozen drink smoothie, and so it's supposed to look like this, slushy type. Yum. Smells so good. The tahini and the Lucas candy powder in here, like just mixed it up. I just legit mixed it up. And then I put some chamoy in this plato. And I'm just gonna grab my cup and then I'm gonna grab my chamoy bottle. Then I'm just gonna drizzle it all over. Yeah, that's how we like it, girl. Just like that. Looks like that. Then I'm just gonna add some more tahini and the Lucas powder in here, just like that. And then I'm just gonna add some Lucas candy in here. Ooh, yeah. Then you grab your mango drink and just pour it. It smells so good. here we have our drink. You could have it like this and just add your straw and sip out of it, or then you can have these spaghetti lucas. They're these ones right here, and then you can just decorate your cup as well. Here, I'll show you guys. Let me move you guys a little bit downwards, and then you can just get the lucas candies right here. And then you can just legit just decorate it, stick them in there, just decorate them. Just like that. This smells so bomb. Oh, I do it by 2. I don't know why, I just do. Little lumbrecitas. Stick like that. And you can add more of the Lucas candy and tahini on top if you want. Oops, I put too much, I think. And some tahini. And some chamoy. Make that drip, drip, drip. And there you go. Here you have your drink. That looks so bomb, guys. I hope you guys enjoy how to make this drink, and let me know if you make it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Bye, guys.